Alrighty guys, we're here at the Hampton Inn Suites here in Scottsburg, Indiana. We have these US elevators. Installed by Imperial, but this is US, obviously. Here we go. Pretty cool. Selfie. Stopping at 2. Going down?
Yes, sir. How you doing? Good, how are you? Good.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Cool. Nice cab. Circleline. Yeah, we're gonna send you down. I really like that button. Looks like they're doing some renovations to this place. Ooh, nice bell. Here's this one. That is a cool. LOL. That's a funny button. Here we go. Look at this. Very cool. Dual clutch button works. Very interesting phone. It's from like the 90s. Circleline. That's the flow indicator. I actually like that. I want to read the chime if we can. There goes the elevator. That was cool. And I guess that is going to be it for me.